You've had a story inside your whole life. Maybe it's a children's book you've been meaning to write for 20 years. Maybe it's a fairy tale that your kids loved when they were little, and now your grandkids deserve to hear it too. Maybe it's a Bible story that you've always wanted to bring to life. Maybe it's a song, a character, a story that's been living in your head rent-free for the past 20 years. And every year you tell yourself, I'll get to it someday. I'm gonna show you in this video how to take that story that you've been carrying around for years and turn it into a reality, almost instant. I'm talking about turning it into a real animated kid story or video or anything that you want. And I'm gonna show you how to do it today, not someday, not when you have time, right now. No film school, no cameras, no $50,000 budget, just you, the computer, and about 1 hour of your time. For your entire life, Hollywood was the gatekeeper. To make a story, to make a song, to make an animated character come to life, you needed to have millions of dollars. You needed years of film school, connections, and a budget that you definitely did not have. And the only thing standing between you and your idea that you want to bring to life is one tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and how to profit from it as well. But real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money from them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to finally profit from the world of AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. The tool I'm going to show you is called MagicLight AI. And I want to be clear about something before we dive in. This is not a magic button that does the work for you. You're still the storyteller. You're still the one with the idea, the heart, and the vision. MagicLight is what closes that gap between what's in your head and what shows up on the screen. It's just crazy, the technology nowadays. In 1990s, this was never possible. In the early 2000s, this wasn't possible, guys. You needed animators and storytellers and writers and editors and the whole nine. Now, with a single text prompt and the click of a button, your ideas can come to life. I just get so excited talking about this, guys. MagicLight is what closes that gap between what's in your head and what shows up on the screen. It's the bridge between your imagination and a finished video. You bring the story, it helps you build it. Let me show you exactly how it works. And I'm going to do it by building a real story, start to finish, right in front of you. Let's get right into it. A tiny star who was scared of the dark. Perfect. That's a great start. That's all we need is one sentence. And then we choose our cartoon style down here. There's realistic, 3D cartoon, Disney style. There's Pixar, there's illustration, there's comic books, there's all these styles that we can choose from. But for this one, let's go with Disney. Huge fan of Disney. Video duration, we're going to keep the duration on 3 minutes, but with this, we can set it all the way up to 50 minutes long, almost an hour long. We have the language, we have the story model, the voiceover, the background music, etc. So this creates an instant kid story, but it doesn't stop there, guys. You can customize it any way that you want. Let's go ahead and click next and let me show you what it creates us. The next step is creating us our scenes, and we can always edit these subtitles if we want, but let's go through this and make sure that we like all of it. Once we do, we're going to click next. So here's our characters it gave us. It auto-generated our characters. If we don't like these, we can always go and choose from over 10,000 characters inside of MagicLight. But let's go ahead and keep these how they are. We're going to click next. Within 1 minute, it created every single one of our scenes directly from Nano Banana, which is currently the most powerful AI image generator in the world. Check this out, guys. It's creating us scene by scene. And if we don't like any of these, we can always come to this bar right here and we can change anything about the scene that we want. We can change clothes. We can remove objects from the scene, the expression, the figure. We can even customize it with our own personal prompt here. So you're going to want to go through each scene and make sure they're exactly how you want. The next step is to animate them. Let me show you what I mean. Come up to here, next, and click Animate All. It's going to give you a couple of options to animate it here. Now, I always go with the best and the fastest video generation model. Right now, Seedance 2.0 is the most powerful video generation model in the world. I use it every day and it blows my mind. So let's keep it on that. And then we're going to click Confirm.
Luna was a young star, yet she wasn't like any other stars. She was scared of the dark. But one day, she decided to be brave. She gathered all her courage and rose into the night sky.
We could have made this kid's story up to 50 minutes long. There's no limits. The only limit with MagicLight is your imagination. Now, let's do a Bible story. Here we go. Make me a story of Noah and his ark.
Dark clouds swallowed the sky. Noah guided his family and animals. They boarded a wooden ark. It was built with steady hands and hope. The world disappeared beneath the flood. The ark became a drifting island of life. Silence followed the storm.
That was made in less than 5 minutes. Let's try anime. Two anime cats in a cyberpunk city on a superhero's adventure. Whatever. Let's go.
Whenever you doubt yourself, remember, I chose you.
He never cared. Not really.
Luna, please. I do care. More than you know.
I think tools like this matter more than ever, at least in 2026, because so many people, they want to be heard. They want to tell their story. They have tons and tons of ideas and books and drawings and sketches, and their imagination just needs to be free and express itself. And I know what it's like in the real world. It's like we have bills, we have responsibilities, we have kids, we have family, we have mortgage. But I think one of the most important things that one person can do is express their imagination and use their creativity. And just what happens if you create a video or a movie and it affects the entire world? Look at the Disney movies. Like, how many kids or how many adults have had their lives affected from Disney or Pixar or whatever the case may be? You, normal person watching this, has the power to influence culture, to just be the author that you always wanted to be. Be the creative, inspirational person for the entire planet that you've always wanted to be. The wall no longer exists. The barrier to entry no longer exists. And with tools like MagicLight, you can create kids' videos and kids' movies and inspirational stories and biblical stories and anime and just you name it, guys. I know you have an idea. I know you have an idea that you want to put out there on paper, on video, as a movie, as a story. You want the world to hear your story. Just go for it. Link is in the description below. But first, let me show you how to actually profit from this. Now, mind you, this technology is brand new, and there's a couple of powerful ways that I think you can not only help express your creativity and unleash your imagination, but also profit from it as well. Let's get into it. Here's what nobody talks about. The most natural way to make money from creative work has been around for hundreds of years. It's called patronage. Painters, composers, writers, they didn't sell their work piece by piece. They had patrons, people who believed in what they were making and supported it directly. That model is alive and well online through websites like Patreon, Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee. These are platforms where people who love what you create can support you monthly for as little as $3 to $5 each. And here's the thing about this. Unlike YouTube or TikTok, you don't need 1 million subscribers. You don't need to go viral. You just need 50 or 100, 200 people who genuinely love what you make. Imagine you're making a children's animated story series. You're picking a theme, bedtime stories, faith stories, animal adventures, fairy tales from around the world. You release a new 5-minute story each week. 100 people pay you $5 a month to be a part of it. That's $500 a month. That's a car payment, a grocery bill. That's real money from people who genuinely value what you're making. The second way to start a business with MagicLight AI is YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. If you go on the websites and you look at these short form videos, they're getting massive amounts of views. 43 million views, 76 million views, 12 million views, scrolling down, 158,000. Look at all of these guys. These were made with MagicLight. I don't know if you've ever seen these on TikTok, but they're so entertaining and so good. Sometimes platforms like YouTube don't monetize these, but it doesn't matter because if the ad revenue, and I get this question all the time from my course students, what if YouTube or TikTok doesn't monetize these types of videos? They do and they don't. But if they don't, the money is made in sponsorships, brand deals, merchandise, affiliate links. Ad revenue is only 1 to 5% of the money that you can make on YouTube. So the real money comes from sponsors and affiliate links and brand deals and courses and merchandise sales and coaches and consulting. And you can teach people how to do this and start business with AI video and eventually start working with local businesses. There's so many opportunities. Just start, guys. I know AI is overwhelming. I know sometimes it can be confusing and chaotic, but just start, and I promise you, you'll find your path. Start making these videos, start uploading to YouTube. You might get 100 views in the first day. You might get 100,000. If it's trending, you're more likely to get massive amounts of views. Here's another way that you can win in this type of business. If you go to Fiverr or Upwork and you search animated videos or kids videos, you'll see what people are charging. There's $2,500, there's $1,000, there's $250, there's $3,000, going down the list. $3,000, $3,500, $1,800, $3,000, $6,000. It's crazy what these people are charging. And the thing to know about these types of services is that their delivery time is absolutely insane. Now in 2026, people don't want to wait 21 days for delivery. They just don't. Everybody wants everything right now. And if a mother has a birthday coming up, they want a kid's animated story. She wants it yesterday. Look what they're charging, $2,500 for basic, which is a 30 to 40 second 2D stylized custom explainer video. 95% of people on Fiverr are doing this all by hand, which is why it takes them 21 days. You have MagicLight. You can do an entire kid story in less than 10 minutes. Standard pricing $4,000, premium for 90 seconds. They're charging $6,000. Come on, guys. You can massively undercut this. If you charge somebody $1,000 for a 5-minute video, you're going to get business. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to be a millionaire overnight with this, because that's not going to happen. You might make a part-time living. You might make a full-time living with this. But what do you have to lose by going to Fiverr, which is completely free, signing up with an account, signing up to MagicLight, and putting your services on Fiverr? The worst thing that can happen is you might get 2 to 3 clients per month. The best thing that can happen is you start a full-time AI business and start doing this in your spare time, working 4 hours a day, making children's videos, just using your imagination and creativity and getting paid for it, guys. Look at these people. They're making full-time living, $1,600. They have 26 reviews, which means they've worked with around 100 to 200 people, because not everybody leaves reviews. Look at this. Let's click into this. Again, there's that 21-day delivery time. They're charging $1,600 for 60-second animation. Standard, $2,800. Premium, for 2 minutes, they're charging $3,600. Most people on Fiverr are doing this all by hand, which is why their delivery times are insane. If you say, I'll charge you $1,000 for a 5-minute video and I have a 1-day turnaround, guess who's getting all the business? Before I wrap this up, I've got something to show you real quick, because the team at MagicLight just dropped something that honestly might be the most interesting thing that they've ever built, and I don't want you to miss it. It's called Magic Claw, and the easiest way to describe it, it's like an AI assistant that lives on top of MagicLight and runs your entire content workflow for you. You talk to it in a chat box and it does the work. Let's check it out really quick. So right now, you can connect your YouTube channel directly to it, and once it's connected, you can literally ask it, what's trending right now? And it pulls real trending topics from across social media. No more staring at a blank page, wondering what to make a video about it. Then you just tell it to turn that trend into a video using MagicLight. It writes it, it generates it, you just direct. And after your videos are out, it pulls the performance data back so you can see what's working and what's not. So your next batch of videos gets smarter every time. Be on the lookout for that in the future. Right now it's in beta, but as soon as it's released, I'm going to be using this, and I highly, highly recommend that you do as well. And if you know anything about trending videos, you know that the trending videos are the ones that get the most amount of views. And if you trend surf, you have more of a chance of getting the views that you actually deserve. I want to leave you with something, because if you've watched this far into the video, I know something about you. I know that you're not here just for the hustle. You're here because there's something inside of you, a story, an idea, a character, a memory that's been waiting a long, long time to come out. And maybe you've told yourself it's too late. Maybe you've told yourself that you're too old or not creative enough or not technical enough or that nobody would care. I want you to hear me when I say this. That voice is wrong. The story you've been carrying, somebody needs it. Maybe it's your grandchild. Maybe it's a stranger on the other side of the world who's going to find it on YouTube one day and have it change their life. Maybe it's just you finishing the thing you started 30 years ago and being able to say, I did it. I finally finished it. The gate is gone. The tools are here. And the only thing left is for you to begin today. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to profit from it as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to finally make sense of the crazy, chaotic AI world and how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys, I hope you liked the video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.